Okay, everybody. So we're gonna go ahead and walk you through problem B here for 6.5. Problem A, if you have questions on that one, that is actually the opener. That is the one we started with today. So go back and look at that if you have questions there. And I'll walk you through B in case you're kind of stuck on simplifying these maths. So again, our first move we're looking for is 0 pairs, which means that you're going to match up two tiles, two of the same tile where one's positive, one's negative, and that will equal 0, which basically means they'll cancel out. So first off, those two right there equal 0. Those two right there equal 0. That's all I have on that side. So to the other side, I have this one, this one, this one, this one. So again, in each of these cases, if you take a positive and a negative and put them together, it's equal to 0. Same thing with the one over here. If you have a positive x and a negative x, they'll cancel out and equal 0. So that's my first step. My next step is teeter-tottering, which means I'm going to take away the same thing from both sides at the same time. So I can take away both of these negative x tiles and both of these negative x tiles. And I could also take away one of the positive 1 tiles. And that would be my complete simplification. There's nothing else that I can get rid of. For the expressions, before I took away anything, on this side I had negative 3x plus x plus 7 plus negative 1. On this side I had negative 2x plus 5 plus negative 4. That was my original. And then my final, what I have left on the left side is just 5 positive tiles. I have nothing on the right side. And so then my final answer is that mat A is bigger because 5 is bigger than 0.